Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide device model levels in Cisco packet tracer. So in this case I will open an against of file in Cisco packet tracer. So go to this. So before that, what is the device model level? So here it is one kinds of device. This is router. Here see, if we press this and the device model is 1841. See here the 1841 device, and we will hide this number. So how? Go to the options and we have to click the preference. So here see the show device model levels. See the model levels. By default it has selected or marks. If we unmarks, see the device name has been hidden. So in this way we can hide this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.